Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce Multi-Select. Visualforce Multi-Select. Implementing a multi-select pick list in Visualforce can be achieved using the Apex Select List tag along with the multi-select true attribute. We can create a custom Visualforce page that allows user to select multiple options from a pick list and then process those selections in our Apex controller. Let's see an example. Showcase a simple user-friendly multi-select functionality in Visualforce. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account and to create Visualforce page, we need to click on Setup, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab. So clicking on File, New, Visualforce page. Here I am creating the name by Visualforce Multi-Select. Click OK. In this Apex class Visualforce Multi-Select, we are creating a list of select option left side set get and list of select option right side set get. In the set of string type selected, non-selected, add fields, remove fields. So selected, this will contain names of those fields which are selected, and not selected, this will contain names of those fields which are not selected. So this is the constructor here getting called. Then add fields, list of string, remove fields, list of string, left side, list of select option, right side, list of select option, selected, set of string, not selected, set of string. So here we are taking the set, it is not duplicating the values. Select option none equals to new select option for none values. So left side add none and right side is also adding none values. So list of fields which are available. So in the fields, these values are we are creating. So report, dashboard, flows, apex, sockle, SOSL, trigger, DML. These are the values what it is going to displayed in left side. Add all the fields to not selected. There are no elements in the selected. Not selected dot add all fields. These values are getting added here. Create options. So public void create options method remove all the options from left side and right side. So we are clearing the left side and right side values. Select option NO equals to new select option. None we are putting. Check whether there are any elements in the selected set. So if selected dot size is greater than 0, if there are any elements, take one by one field name and create select option. So for string S1 selected and option 1, we are passing S1. Add the option to the right side pick list. So right side dot add option 1, this one value. Else if there are no elements in the set and none option to the right side list. So right side dot add no value we are passing. Check whether there are field names in the not selected. So if not selected dot size is greater than 0, if there are any elements, create a select option based on field name. So for string S2 not selected, select option OP2 equals to new select option h2 we are passing, add, then left side list, left side dot add option 2. Else, if there are no elements in the set and none option, to the left side list, left side dot add no, public void add, not selected dot remove all, add fields, selected dot add all, add fields, create options, public void remove element, selected dot remove all, remove fields, not selected dot add all, remove fields, create options. So it is for clearing all the values. So for the same we need to create the Visualforce page. For this we need to click on file, new, Visualforce page. So we are creating the Visualforce page by the same name, Visualforce Multi-Select. Click OK. So in the Visualforce page we are passing this Visualforce Multi-Select by using controller, then apex form, page block, title we are using, title we are giving multi-select for technical skills. So panel grid column we are taking 3, style class my panel id we are creating 1. So select list multi-select equals to true, style class box and value add fields. And here in select options we are taking the values left side, panel grid column 1, command button add, for adding we are calling this add, and re-render 1. For removing we are calling remove element, re-render 1. This is for clearing the values. Panel grid select list multi-select, it is true, style box, style class box, value equals to remove fields. Select option value right side. So what the values we are selecting, that is coming in the right side, and we are closing respectively all the tags select list, panel grid, page block, form and apex page. Save this and click on preview button. So it is displaying like this, multi-select for technical skills. So in the technical skills maybe someone have some short of skills and someone have all the technical skills. So in that case individuals are going to select some of the values from this technical skills. So someone have the skill of report, dashboard. So by holding the control button we are able to select more than one values, and if we are clicking on add then this value is getting added in the right side and this is removed from this side. So again if this individual have the DML also technical skill he need to add, and if he don't have the skill of dashboard he can remove as well. So click on remove. If someone have all the technical skills then click on the first value, and by holding the control we can select all the values. So click on add. So now all the values are added in the right side. So this is also a situation when sometimes we are having this kind of coding to do. If I want to remove all the values, so select all and remove. none value is here. Thank you.